Your shop is a well-oiled machine, but that doesn't mean it can't go faster, maneuver better, and be a heck of a lot more fun to drive for your team and your customers. Meet Tekmetric, premium cloud-based auto shop management software that improves customer service and drives repeat business. Before Tekmetric, important information got lost in translation.
Wait. What's wrong with my Wawa?
With Tekmetric, you can build customer profiles, track vehicle histories, and give live updates, all from a single easy-to-use platform. Customers can instantly approve or decline repairs,
Swipe right.
send and receive text,
How's the car? But more importantly, how are you?
and make mobile payments.
I need to speak to your manager to thank them for such great service.
You can depend on Tekmetric the way your customers depend on you. If you're ready to exceed expectations, create confidence, and build trust, click the link, take Tekmetric for a spin, and put your shop into high gear.